UL certification is considered an appliance. You can plug it in, take it with you when you move, and collapse it in case of hurricanes or dangerous weather situations. It fits into the average garage, and so that way the whole thing is modular, mobile, and affordable.
We're here promoting the solar equity platform, which connects those that are generating excess to low-income off-takers, and we're hoping to expand throughout the U.S. So if you're a liberal utility that wants to collaborate with us, we'd love to talk to you.
Kind of gives the structure for the product development, so we were able to speed up how quickly we were able to develop, and we're going to be launching a product at the beginning of next year, and it all has to do with the American Made Solar Challenge, so we really appreciate it.
Oh, and what we really liked is working with the partners. It's challenging working with like NREL and WSET and ASU all at the same time and getting samples exchanged, but they're very good resources that helped us along.
Yeah.
It's you. What this competition does is sit on your back, get you out of bed, do the best work you can, do your research, put that extra effort.